So fam, it's your boy Danny with another vlog, a car vlog. So we're gonna be filming over at DDE car meet. Sound like a motorcycle. So we're gonna be filming some crazy cars over at their warehouse in Compton. We're gonna be filming from JDMs to Beamers, R8s, Lamborghinis, exotics and whatnot. Stay tuned.
Got that nice jelly right here.
Got C8 Corvette Stingray.
What's the race? That Disney race car. We found Nick. Yeah, you know. Tag him.
He said Big Dick Nick. We inside.
We outside. Wait.
We outside, but we inside.
We outside. We came inside.
Damn, McLaren.
We got a McLaren here, carbon fiber front end. We
Fire.
got a lime green Lambo.
Lamborghini. Hear that? Ooh.
Everybody recording.
Damn, fire. Want to see the Bentley?
So you guys already saw this Lambo. He's outside pulling in. This gumball boo.
Super fast.
They got in and out.
Oh look, they got in and out.
Fire, fire.
This Porsche.
Damn, man.
3. Oh, nice.
Drifting going on, donuts.
you guys eat, get food, you guys see trash cans around here, please throw your food or your trash away when you are done. Respect the spot. Also, if you guys leave, you might not be able to get back in. Try to keep everybody inside the block at all times. Just FYI, if you do leave, you might not get back in. Also, you guys see the merch right here, right by the garage. Come get your merch from the line. Once again, everybody, welcome to the Block Party 3. Hope you guys are ready to have a good night. Now that's how you start a block party. Yo. I don't know what kind of parties you guys go to. Let's get it. Come on now. Who does it better than DDE? You know you open the party, guys. Plain, donuts. You guys are awfully quiet. Can we make some noise? Let's make some noise! That's not good enough. One more time. Let's not get it. One more time. Let's make some noise! There we go. Much better. That's what I'm talking about. Those of you who just came in, one again reminder, number one rule, respect the spot, everybody. You see trash cans around the block, please don't. right there. Something light. It's not out yet. Be the first ones to get your hands on it.
And we got an F80.
No way.
My bad, sorry. Yeah, you good, you good, you good. Backseat delete. Yeah.
Hey, we need Italian yourself. You know? I got that.
Sorry, man. Nah, you good, you good. Oh, no.
Oh, like medium?
And we got a car meet outside the car meet. Supra.
Supercharger on the supercharger on deck.
Some light.
Nice map on it. I ain't gonna lie. Nardo gray with some black and white wrap. Vicious.
Some camel, huh?
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to probably set up some races over there.
Their team LA. Check their Instagram. Maybe they have more cars.